The strategies that I'm going to be sharing with you today, there are strategies that you can deploy right away in your business. They're almost guaranteed to work to improve your marketing no matter what. If you really want to dig deep, you got to go ahead and you got to talk to your customers. We applied this to a business that I absolutely love, ran by a member of SUBTA, a guy named Ryan Hogan, and he runs a company called Killer. And he asked me to go ahead and double the business in 90 days. When we first launched Killer, I had written a hook that said, what if this serial killer delivers a package to your doorstep each month? That ad and angle had lost a lot of efficacy. So my business partner, David, he ended up hopping on the phone with all these customers and talking to them. And we started to reveal a pattern. He was talking to one customer and he was talking about how him and his wife, he wanted to go ahead and order this murder mystery subscription box, Killer, to go ahead and play a game with his wife, an activity that they could do together and engage. What was really interesting is conversation after conversation, we started hearing this time and time again. And the angle that we took first was a date night angle. Right? So you can see the original ad here. What if a serial killer delivers a package to your doorstep each month? And then see the ad here. Couples everywhere love playing Killer because usually we just zone out and watch TV. Killer gets us talking and having so much fun together. After all, couples who hunt serial killers together stay together. And once we did that,
you need to be part of the largest community of subscription innovators. For just $9 a month or $99 a year, not only do you get exclusive content, but you get access to the largest community of subscription innovators and leaders. If you've attended our events in the past or plan to come to one of our events in the future, joining SUBTA becomes a no-brainer as all members get discounts on tickets. Join today at SUBTA.com.